Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Joanna Burton here, and I hope all of you guys are doing well, most especially in these challenging times. For today guys, I am going to show you my gift. So my husband got me this at Walmart. So this is a Hamilton Beach brand hand mixer, and there's a lot of other brands, but it's way too expensive. So this one is only like $14. There's a $19 on this too, but this one is 14 something, so plus tax. So I think almost about $18. So something like that. So I'm gonna open this because I'm going to use it because I'm excited to make a Dalgona coffee. So I'm gonna try doing that. And I also have some turmeric powder, which I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna open this, guys. So here it is. So I used to have a lot of kitchen utensils, but you know, when you rent a room, when you move and keep moving, it's like, you know, sometimes it goes to donation or and I have some stuff in the box, but I just don't wanna you know, dig, because it's gonna clutter more our room. Okay, so the good thing about this is there is like compartment which you can put all the gadgets. So that's why I like this one, you know. And then you just basically do like this when you don't use it, or when you're not using it, I mean. Okay, and so so there is a whisker, and this is the beater. So you just like push this in, and then you just do like that. Okay, hold on. Okay, there you go. Okay guys, so here it is. So I'm gonna try this later when I make my Dalgona coffee. Okay guys, so that's my sharing for today. So I hope you really like it. I'm excited too that I have you know, like make my cooking easier, because my husband saw me whisking the cream. He said, you know, I'll just get you some hand mixer, the electric hand mixer. So that's one thing that I appreciate about my husband, guys. And I've always been thankful to God for giving me a good husband. Not perfect, but hey, there's no perfect person out there, I think. But yeah. Okay, so here it is, guys. Okay guys, have a good day. And remember guys, to be always positive and just keep pushing forward. Okay, bye-bye.